So we live in an economy that's very much based on extracting resources from nature, converting it into usable goods, and then ultimately wasting it. That's what we call the linear economy. And unfortunately, that has caused a lot of the social and environmental problems that we're trying to rectify through different strategies like sustainability and the circular economy, which essentially reconfigures that linear waste-based system to be one that is based on three key principles. The first thing is eliminating waste, because that's a loss of resources, and for everything we waste in the system, we have to go back to nature to take new resources, which means that we are constantly exploiting the natural world, which we know is causing a lot of our ecosystem damages. So the goal is to reduce our requirement on nature and to reduce waste. And then the next one is to make things last longer, because if we have things that move through the economy, we can ensure that we have more value associated with those material goods. An example of that would be, instead of owning something that you only use for a short period of time, you would lease it or rent it. And then the third goal is to restore and regenerate nature. We are natural beings. We require nature for our entire economy to exist, as well as the natural systems like clean air and water. So the goal of the circular economy is to really reconfigure the way we produce goods and services, we obtain value and functionality as consumers, and ultimately how we configure our whole business and economic world. Circular economy plays out in multiple ways. Consumer-facing, it's really about products that are as services, not just products that you own and take home, and then when you don't need them anymore, you throw them out. So you have a lot of companies like Mud Jeans, which is a subscription model for jeans, so that you can basically have your jeans upgraded when they get a hole in them, or you can basically buy secondhand goods from them. Another one is Fairphone, which is a Dutch-based cell phone company that is fully repairable and recyclable. You have a company called Loop, which is when you go to the supermarket and you buy ice cream or ketchup, it's coming in reusable containers that once you're finished with, you return or they're collected. So we're looking at eliminating waste and making things last longer, restoring nature. Those are the three principles. So you have three examples there.